it's Debb Bunni. Guys, it's Debb Bunni. And guys, as you can see, I will be unboxing a halter table. It don't come like this, guys. So apparently tonight it was supposed to rain. I had no clue. My boyfriend had no clue. But it's raining really hard tonight, guys. But he made these two handles for me so it could be easy for me to bring inside the house. But guys, it's raining really hard outside. I got in the Uber and the Uber driver is helping me bring the table in. So it's in the trunk, so it's stuffed in the car. My shoes were soaked. So I was like, oh my gosh, my shoes are soaked. He was like, I didn't want to laugh at the moment, but now, oh my gosh, he was like, my shoes are wet too. My Yeezys are soaked. I looked at his feet. I wanted to cry. I was like, oh my gosh. I basically just got in the house, guys. I had to change my clothes because I was soaked, but yes, I am here. And I will be doing this unboxing of the halter table. Okay guys, I need a table for my channel. I ordered this on Amazon and it was $109. I ordered this on Saturday and it came Monday. So it was very fast shipping and everything. They have a lot of colors. I just chose to get black and white. The top should be black and the left should be white, but they have very nice colors. I will definitely be putting a link down below. So here we go with the unboxing, guys. I don't know if I have to build it, but we'll see. Alright. So it's cold. It's definitely cold today. There's a lot of tape. It is a lot of tape on this box. To build it, or alright, all it's saying is you don't have to do much. You do not have to do much at all. Just remove this foam. They really they secured the table really well. It wasn't bouncing around in the box at all. You can see why they have all this foam on it. Here's about okay, here we go. Look at this. This is nice. see if you guys can see. Give you another look up. Look at that, guys. It's nice and high. It's wobbling for some reason. Something's missing. There's a piece missing. Sorry, guys. It's in the basket. Look at that. Look how nice this is. Look. This is nice. I like how tall it is. A lot of underneath space. I like how wide it is. I can put everything on my desk. This is nice. I like this black. Okay guys, so we unboxed the table. It's big enough that I could put 3 computer screens on my table, and I like the black. It's nice. I really like it. But that's the end of my video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's at Debb Bunni, DEBBUNN with an I. All my information of my social medias will be down below. And if you guys like this video, can you like it, comment down below, and subscribe?